Hey guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today we have this Subaru. So this is Subaru Outback. The main goal here is to do a service and also repair solenoid for this engine. So this is the transmission side. This for the gearbox. You see, this socket goes to the solenoids for transmission. This is the harness. You can see it. Okay. So this is where usually the motherboard is located. See this gasket. Okay. So this now the transmission control unit, the TCM, usually has a TCM unlike other cars. So this is the control unit for the transmission for the Subaru located just up there. We also have this cooler. This is a transmission cooler. Okay. So I'm going to show you the next thing on this transmission. Okay. So just like Honda, the valve body is located up, and like the other switch, the sump is located beneath the car. So this the sump. Usually most cars has a sump and the valve body located just down here, but this is located over. Okay. So this now the sieve that usually sieves the sealed. Okay, see this material here. This seals the debris of the transmission. We also have this the sump now. You see, usually most sump must have the magnet so that in case of the metal debris falls under, it can go back to the transmission. It is usually attracted to the magnet. So now here we have the valve body. This is the motherboard. You see here has these parts, what we call the solenoids. This one has several, but I'll show you 4 first. This is the socket that's connected to the main harness that I'd shown you previously. Okay, this is now the ground wire located just there so that the signal comes from the TCM. So we have these solenoid A, B, C, D. See? So we are going to change one of the solenoids and see the car get back to its norm. It was slugging, and now I'm sure it will be very fine. So in case you have a such issue on your transmission, you can reach out and we will sort you big. Okay, it's Kevin Auto Insider. Remember to always subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.
Usienda amenya no.